Welcome to scientific notation. This is a form of writing numbers that are really large or really small. How to write a number in scientific notation or standard form with positive exponents. Scientific notation: a times 10 to the b, where a is equal to 1 and less than 10. So a number from 1 to less than 10, so like 9.99999. You have a base of 10, and our exponent will be an integer. What this looks like is we have our coefficient. Notice how there's one number in front of the decimal, and only one number. And that number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Times 10 to an exponent. In this case it is 5. With a positive exponent, we are going to kick the decimal to the right. So right now we have 2 times 10 to the 9th. That means we move the decimal 9 places to the right. If we have blanks, we'll fill them in with the zeros. Alright, let's write this in from scientific notation to standard form. 2 5800 times 10 to the 4th. I recommend rewriting the decimal, the coefficient part. Now, it said 4. So I'm going to take my decimal and move to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. In those open spots, I put zeros. And there we are, standard form. 7 1/100 times 10 to the 7th. Again, rewrite the decimal. Move it to the right 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the blanks we fill with zeros. And there we have it. 3 7/10 times 10 squared. Again, rewriting the coefficient. Decimal to the right twice, 1, 2. Empties, fill with a 0. Five 2600 times 10 to the 7th. Rewriting the coefficient. Now, let's go to the right 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blanks, zeros. And there we go, 52,600,000. Now we're going to write from standard form to scientific notation. For this, we are going to reverse the moves. So numbers greater than or equal to 1 move the decimal left. This will have a positive exponent. With 65 million, when we move it to, we get a number, a single digit, from 1 through 9 in front of the decimal. So 6.5 times 10 to the 7th. Alright, here we go. We're always going to have something times 10. Our decimal right now is behind that final 0. That's not one digit. Nope. 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 Here. Actually, all the way over here. So 6 and 503 thousandths. And we want to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my exponent is 6. Alright, 65,000. Again, here's our base 10. Decimal at the end. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, and then my coefficient in front, 6.5, and we're done. $512. And start with our base 10. Decimal at the end. Over once, over twice. Right now my coefficient. Remember, the number in front of the decimal is a single digit. Ask me the numbers 1 through 9. $3,479. Base 10. Decimal at the end. Over 1, over 2, over 3. Exponent 3. My coefficient, 3 and 479 thousandths. This concludes day 3 of working with scientific notation. As always, for the hills, you stay classy.